So this is a additional practice. I'm not going to grade your notes on this, but this is additional practice if you need it. So, okay, so for question 2, okay, remember opposite angles are supplementary, which means they add up to 180 degrees. So I want to find x first. So let's do x plus 80 is equal to 180. And then you subtract 80. Okay, so x equals 100. So it's 100 degrees, okay? Then we want to find y, so we're kind of going to do the same process, but instead of x, we're going to do y plus 71 is equal to 180. Then you got to subtract out 71. And y is equal to 109. Sorry, guys. 109 degrees. Okay? So, alright, let's go on and do a couple more. This is just an additional practice if you need it. So, additional practice, find the value of each variable. So, if we're looking at, we need to find x. If we're looking at angle AVD, that is an inscribed angle. An inscribed angle is half of the arc, okay? Now, ACD is a central angle. If it is a central angle, okay, and it has the same endpoints as the inscribed angle, that means the inscribed angle is half of the central angle. So, angle AVD is equal to 1/2 of angle ACD. So, the measure of angle AVD is equal to 1/2 of 50 degrees. So the measure of angle AVD is equal to 25 degrees. So that means x is equal to 25 degrees. Awesome. Alright, guys. Let's keep going. Alright, so let's look at this picture here. We need to find x. Okay. Now, x is angle BCD. But we don't know what the arc AD is. So we can find what arc AD is by adding all these together and then subtracting from 360. So let's take 115 plus 86 plus 54. Find out what that equals. Okay. Okay, so that equals 255. Then we're going to take 360 and subtract out 255. And that equals 105. So arc AD is 105 degrees. Okay. So we can find x now by taking 1/2 of the big arc, which is arc ABD. So x degrees is equal to 1/2 of arc B, not angle, but arc. X is equal to 1/2 arc BAD. So to find the arc of BAD, we're going to add 54 and 105. So x equals 1/2 of 54 plus 105. Okay. So x is equal to 1/2. 54 plus 105 is 159. And then 159 divided by 2 is equal to 79.5. So that means x is 79.5 degrees. Let me put the degree symbol down here. Awesome. Alright guys, one last example before we're done. Okay, so for question 3, I think we should start at where is the easiest to start at. So 93 and the z are opposite angles, which means they're supplementary and they add to 180 degrees. So we can say 93 plus z is equal to 180. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to subtract out 93 on both sides. And z is equal to 87 degrees. Boom. Okay, so z is 87. Ooh. 87 degrees. Okay, so for x, okay, x is half of the intercepted arc, because if you look here, okay, where I'm drawing in green, okay, it intercepts that big arc. So we need to add the 58 and the 106 first. So x is equal to 1/2 of 58 plus 106. So x is equal to 1/2 of 164. Okay. And half of 164 is 82. So x is equal to 82 degrees. Remember, x and y are opposite, so they are supplementary. And that means that 82 degrees plus y is equal to 180. So same process, we're going to subtract 82 from both sides. And y is equal to 98 degrees. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions. Okay, like I said, these were just additional examples for some of you guys that if you need it. And okay, make sure you complete your homework, and I will talk to you guys soon. Let me know if you have any questions.